Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Rachita Dhula, a dermatologist practicing in Chembur, Mumbai. I'm talking on behalf of Dermavidya, our academy for dermatologists, and also to educate patients about hair and skin related conditions. And today we'll be discussing on hair loss and PRP. Nowadays, we are experiencing more number of patients with hair loss. And why this so? Is because there are more awareness about hair loss, because this condition is distressing. It can involve your low self-esteem. There are many causes for hair loss. It could be genetics, it could be hormonal changes, it could be stress or certain medications. And in fact, it could be also related to lifestyle, some nutritional deficiency. When it involves how to take care of patients with hair loss, we need to ascertain the cause for hair loss and decide about the treatment plan. The treatment plan involves not only medical therapy but as well as some procedural therapy, such as PRP, microneedling, or low light laser therapy. Now, which therapy is suited for which hair loss can be effectively decided by a dermatologist, and or she will decide whether it will be what could be the outcome from this procedural therapy. Now, amongst this procedural therapy, PRP is the most popular one. It is, in fact, is a cutting edge for androgenetic alopecia or female pattern hair loss. It's a simple therapy where we draw patient's own blood, that is called as autologous, and we extract some growth factors from certain cells. The cells are known as platelets. And these growth factors are introduced into the hair follicles and they start functioning normally. So the process is just half an hour to 1 hour procedure, and it is done every monthly. It's not every day procedure. Along with this PRP treatment, your treatment response can be double up. I hope I have been able to give an overview on hair loss and PRP treatment. If you find this video useful, to check more videos, please visit our website dermavidya.com. As a doctor, my advice for any skin and hair related issue, do not self-medicate. I've said again and again. Please get in touch with an expert dermatologist near you. Thank you.
For more such videos, visit or log into dermavidya.com.